Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to hire a professional on Wix.com. So it's just simple, you click on hire a professional, this will direct you to a marketplace. So you will be asked what professional do you need to design, promote, to get an online store and to take care of the tasks or customize your website. So I'm choosing to promote. So you need a CEO or what? What would you like to achieve? Well, a lot. Create professional content, set up Google, Facebook, and Instagram advertises, ads, improve search ranking, and others. So you can choose whatever you are looking for, and that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.